Wait, look
Just-
at the lamp.
Yeah.
It's shaking, man.
So this is the kind of
Is it- oh my
this is the kind
God.
of wind you get before a tornado. I distinctly
The-
remember once the rain starts.
I
going,
can't see the rain particles
So
anymore.
once the rain starts going horizontally instead of vertically, you know there's a tornado or very high winds coming through. Hi. That was another lightning strike. I'm gonna get another notification here. I think I just falls
crazy.
down.
You know, this place is actually like a tornado shelter.
Well, the entire building, no.
Like
The basement of the building, yes. Any basement is a tornado shelter.
That is true. I think especially in Illinois, like buildings are designed to withstand tornadoes, aren't they?
Final product.
It's crazy. Send it to me, please.
I'm gonna edit all. I'm gonna edit all of these and yeah.
The rain. Look at
The
it.
rain.
Is your time lapse still going?
Huh?
Is your time lapse still going?
Yeah.
What percentage are you on?
It's probably pretty low.
How low are we talking here?
Can I just pause it?
No, it's not worth the pausing.
Oh no.
Oh damn it. It's okay. I can edit them together.
Okay, cool. Do you have a USB cord or?
It's connected. Oh shit! It's not connected.
It's like downpour, literally. This is a lot of rain. This is not only wind.
It's low. H2O. Bro.
The rain's horizontally now.
Horizontal rain.
I'm being dead serious.
No vertical loss.
Look.
Yo, this is actually getting
Oh, no,
horizontal.
wait, your gimbal just did something because it gave a notification that says trust or not trust. Oh, now it's gone. Okay. Yeah, good. I hate when it does that, dude.
What is that noise? What is that noise?
Sucking.
Sucking.
Come on. My dad, he says, anything interesting? Yeah, I'm gonna send him this.
Oh yeah, baby.
This is beautiful, dude.
It's just normal.
Lord.
You've seen too much.
It's not even a big deal.
Wow, it looks like really low res, but I'm gonna send it to
Bro, the thunder. I wish it could be louder for us. Because
What?
to me, the thunder is the cool part.
You can go outside and stand.
No, I don't want to be
Open
struck.
The thunder, like.
your gimbal is going out. It's okay, go on.
I think it's just because the cord is too.
Really?
Yeah. If you have a lightning
No,
to
there's
USB cord, you can actually just plug it here. Or you can plug it here.
USB-C?
Yeah, USB-C. Just
That's
try
what
it.
this is.
Let's try it if it's charging long. I think it's working.